Big machines look powerful, but ownership cost is where most budgets break. Here's a real-world comparison. A large machine versus the compact TYPHON TERROR XI STORM. First, financial load. Large machines typically require higher payments, but compact excavator TYPHON TERROR XI STORM ownership keeps cash flow manageable. Second, fuel. Bigger machines burn more per hour, raising cost every shift. XI STORM reduces daily fuel spend while staying productive. Third, maintenance. Large equipment often means higher cost parts, more fluids, and more labor time. Compact design keeps routine service faster and more affordable. With a compact platform, access is straightforward, and many basic fixes can be handled quickly, reducing time off the job. Downtime is where costs escalate fast. When the machine stops, the project slows and revenue is lost. XI STORM includes 1-year warranty coverage and remote support from anywhere, helping diagnose issues faster. Avoid long delays and get back to work sooner. Transport matters. Moving a large machine requires more logistics, more cost, and more time. Compact mobilizes faster and cheaper. And on many sites, size becomes a limitation. Compact equipment works in tight access areas where big machines simply can't operate. For lower operating costs and faster uptime, TYPHON TERROR XI STORM is the smarter ownership choice.